Hey, it's Chip Warno. Today I'm going to generate 100 articles on the topic keto diet for weight loss that you can use for your WordPress autoblogging, okay? The last video I made, I generated 100 articles that had to do with keto diet. And if you come right over here, and if you did a search, whoops, that's the wrong one there. If you did a search right here, and you did, let's see, just click on, let's see, we'll just do on keto diet. And if I just do search right there, you can see right here, there's 98 of them. So it has 2 more right now that it needs to write. But the last video I made, it showed you I had 0. Now we have just about 100. It will finish up here very soon. But you can see all these different pages that we have. The articles on keto diet, okay? So today, like I said, you're going to get access to a free keto diet for weight loss articles for WordPress Autoblogging that you can publish instantly on your WordPress website with our free My Content Creator Pro, the free version, WordPress Autoblogging plugin, okay? So today I generated a new, let me just click right here. I generated a new, let's see here, I'll show you guys. Right there, keto diet for weight loss, okay? So basically, I'm just going to go right here, and I'm going to click that right here. I'm going to generate 100 articles. So by the time you actually watch this video, the system will be writing the articles. Sometimes it can take a few hours, but it will write the 100 articles. So by the time you watch this video, you should see the articles loaded in there. When I show it to you, it's going to show pretty much 0 at first. But once you sign up for My Content Creator Pro, the free version, and I'll show you how to get access to that in just a minute, you'll be able to use those keto diet for weight loss articles for your WordPress website to autoblog, or just to use them to fill in some content about keto diet. So basically what we're going to do is I'm just going to come right over here. I pick the category right here that I want the articles put. I want 100 of them. And what I've done actually is our programmer has worked with a SEO expert that has prompts that works with ChatGPT to write SEO optimized articles that rank on first page of Google and other search engines, okay? Articles are around 1,500 to 2,000 words, give or take, and they are set up to rank well in Google and search engines. Now, you could call these PLR articles because I'm giving you the rights to use these. So if we called them PLR articles, I would basically call them keto diet for weight loss PLR articles, okay, for free. So you can actually download these once you've actually set up these articles in your WordPress posts or pages. Whatever it is that you want to do, but mainly pages, or I mean posts in your WordPress website. And you can use those. Then, like I said, you can download those articles. You can give them away for free. You can do whatever you want with them. But we have them in our database, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click right here, and I'm just going to put keto diet for weight loss. So we're going to click on generate articles, then I'm going to click right there. Then we're going to see something right here that's going to tell us that it's starting the process of generating the 100 articles. All right. It sounds like I'm out of breath or something like that. I just got finished mowing the lawn, so a little warm from outside. So right there, successfully queued 100 articles for generation. So you can see right here, just scroll down here, you can see all 100. I'm just going to go over the first 10 so you can see. So the ultimate guide to starting the keto diet for weight loss, 5 common mistakes to avoid when starting the keto diet for weight loss, how to plan your meals on the keto diet for weight loss, top 10 keto diet for weight loss, recipes to try, advanced techniques for maximizing weight loss on keto diet, 7 tips for staying motivated on the keto diet for weight loss, best keto diet for weight loss supplements to support your goals, 3-day keto diet for weight loss meal plan for beginners, keto diet for weight loss versus other popular diets, a comparison, and number 10, how to overcome plateaus on the keto diet for weight loss, okay? And then we got many more here up for 100 that you will get access to for 100% free. Basically what you're going to do is there's going to be a link at the bottom of this video that you'll be able to click and come right over here. Make sure you watch this video. You can learn more about My Content Creator Pro, the free version, WordPress Autoblogging plugin. You can learn just all this information. This is a free life. You get free lifetime updates. I'm going to always be adding new articles, like I'm going to show you today what I'm doing. And the plugin is for free, okay? And we've got a ton of articles in there right now. So make sure you share this with people, share this video, let people know about this. This can really help people out, because I know a lot of people go to PLR sites to buy PLR articles, and we're giving away basically PLR articles away for free, but we're the one actually creating the PLR articles with My Content Creator Pro, the free version Autoblogging plugin that you can get access to today and get all these PLR articles that we have generated and are giving you the rights for today for 100% free. And like I said, once you sign up, we're just going to keep on adding new articles, and you can go in there and set them up in your website however you want, okay? So you're going to keep getting this, and this is free, okay? Just put your name, your email address, click yes, I want this. You can read more here. That's me right there, obviously in this video right here. I haven't shaved for like 2 weeks and I need to, so that's why I look a little bit different. But if you ever have any kind of questions, you can just come over here to support, and it'll take you right over here to our support desk. And then you can click right here, and then you can fill out, submit a ticket. You can go to My Content Creator Pro, and then you can submit your ticket right there, okay? So it really is that simple. And I'm going to show you here just a little overview of, once you have access to the plugin, how you can start doing the searching for these articles for your WordPress website with My Content Creator Pro, the free WordPress Autoblogging plugin that you can get access to today. So once you have it set up, you'll see right here, My Content Creator Pro. You'll click right here to Auto Content Creation. So basically what we did today was we created a new category. If I scroll down here, you can click right here, Keto Diet for Weight Loss. If I go here right now, you're going to see 0 because it hasn't written the articles yet. But by the time you watch this video and you download the plugin and put it in your WordPress website, these PLR articles that I've generated, you're going to have access to those, okay? And like I said, again, these are Keto Diet for Weight Loss PLR articles for free that I've generated for you with our WordPress programmer and our SEO expert with writing these articles for you guys. So basically what we're going to do is, there's 2 different ways to do this. You can actually find the category, click search, and you'll see them. Look at that. It's already starting to make the articles right here. You can see 5 common mistakes to avoid when starting a keto diet for weight loss. Okay, you can already see that they're being written. So you can do it that way. You can search them that way. So if we just go right here, you can see again, it just wrote 2 more articles. Then if we go right here, I'm just going to refresh it here. If you go right here, and let's say we just put the keto diet, but keto diet for weight loss, we just put them right here, then you're going to see them all right here below. So basically by the time you watch this video, possibly even by tomorrow if other people see it, basically a day after this, you're going to see all 100 articles in there that you can access. And basically you just click on these right here, save the results, and it's that simple. And once you sign up for My Content Creator Pro, the free version, the WordPress Autoblogging plugin, you'll actually be able to, like I said, get access to them and see them all. Another great feature that you can do too is videos. A lot of people want to add videos because that adds a lot of good SEO juice to your WordPress posts. And let's say, like I said, I'm just doing the keto diet for weight loss. So I'm just going to go on Google right here. This pulls these videos right here that you're allowed to use, and it embeds them in your blog posts, okay? So these are all about keto diet. Whenever you search in here, you're going to find more different keto diet weight loss tips from these videos that you can actually click on this. And then once you click on the videos that you want, you just click on Save Results, okay? And same thing right here. These are copy-free images that you can use. And you just click right there, and then you can just go like this, and then it's going to pull up different keto weight loss images that you can use, okay? So it's very, very simple. All you got to do is find the category that you want. We literally have hundreds of different categories. Another reason why I'm making these videos showing you that I'm doing this, I want you guys in the comments area below to make sure that you put the categories and the topics that you want for your WordPress website, so I can get My Content Creator Pro WordPress Autoblogging plugin that's free, that you can get access to those and start adding content to your WordPress website and start getting more free traffic, sales, and subscribers on your email list. And all this is free. I'm giving this to you free. I've seen people sell literally this that I'm doing right here. Not the same way. It's just they give you a lot of articles and you have to, go through them and you have to search and find things. This thing is simple. You literally put the category you want, you search for it, you click on this information right here, save the results, and literally you have it. You don't have to search through thousands, tens of thousands of articles to find. You just go right here and you just find them. And so we go right here, like I told you, and you can find more right here. If we go right here and we just find keto diet for weight loss. Last time I think I checked, it was on, let me clear this out right here. It showed 8 last time. Now we're up to 12. And like I said, it will get up to 100 here very soon. So again, click the link below this video. That will take you right over here that you can sign up and enter your name and email address. And like I said, on the thank you page, you'll have a video that will video training that will train you on how to use My Content Creator Pro, the free version, WordPress Autoblogging plugin. But if you ever have any kind of questions, again, post them below in the comments or come over to our website like I showed you before, and you can get access to that. So again, thank you so much. Like I said, these articles right here, these 100 right here, these are just the subject lines. These will be added to the database. And like I said, a lot of people call these keto diet for weight loss, PLR articles for free, okay, that you can get access to today. So I just wanted to make sure. The reason why they're called PLR articles is not because I took them from someone else's website that I bought them from. I actually generated this with our plugin that our programmer and a professional SEO expert trained ChatGPT to write these articles to rank on first page of Google and other search engines. Thanks again. This is Chat Bornova. I'll see you tomorrow in the next articles that we generate for our My Content Creator Pro WordPress Autoblogging plugin that you can get today for 100% free. Make sure you, again, share this video, let people know about it. We're here to help, and make sure you post your categories below that we can get your articles to you and add them to our database so you can start taking your business to the next level and having all the articles that you need. All right, thanks again. Talk to you soon. Have yourself a great day.